I was looking at my phone and then I just saw the curve. I just thought Rookie Rebel.
Run it off. I wake up. Yeah.
What up, YouTube? Welcome to a stunt lot session on the Honda Grum. So today we're going to be working on our obviously double peggers. That's a given, but I have my camera out here. Sony A7 Mark III and a G-Master 7200 for like the lot shots. Today we're going to be testing the Manic Machining dual caliper bracket. I know I had a big rotor kit. I got a stock rotor kit from them, swapped it out. So if I like this or if I don't like this, I'm going to be giving one of them away. Either the big rotor kit dual caliper bracket or this stock one that I'm running now, depending on how I like it. One of those I'm going to be giving away. So you have to wait to the end of the video. Oh, I got a surprise for you guys. So some of you guys have been asking for this. Guess what? The one wheel's back. I've lost about 30 pounds since I've ridden this last, so I'm hoping it doesn't nosedive as easy. All right, we're gonna save this for later. Let's see if I can still get off like a boss. Let's do some wheelies. No loopies today. No being a little bitch either. I went to the Brembo. With the Adeline, it was like on, off. As soon as I felt resistance, I knew I was on the brake. With this one, I can almost not feel anything until I'm locking it up. I just got to get used to that little feather. Look at all that. You see all that motion? It's actually engaging there, even though I'm not, from here to there, I'm not feeling any resistance. No resistance there. That's locking up. That's where the Adeline used to be. It would be nothing, and then like you would feel it, and then that's when it's on the brake. Yeah. I gotta get used to it a little bit more, but it's definitely a lot more forgiving than the big rotor kit with this whole handbrake setup. All right, let me talk about the foot brake situation. So since I changed out to the big rotor, I changed to Coromoto stainless steel lines. Previously, I had these Thailand lines since I got this drum, basically. Let's just say they're that big, where Coromoto are this big, stiffer. So when you, and I had a couple other guys, Lewis and James, try to do scrapes on it. As soon as you tap the rear brake, your foot brake, mousetrap. I do want to spend like a whole day, it's not gonna be today, just geared up and just trying to practice foot brake. Like I might even disconnect my handbrake. I really just want to just loop out a few times and get better at it because, oh no, Lewis. Pickle Rick in town. So if you guys haven't been following the build series, myself and Lewis Stunts are building an F4i.
What did I miss? Cliff notes besides you overpaying, LOL.
I just started doing it. I'm not sure yet. I didn't want to get too carried away because I'm all by myself if I landed on my head. I didn't want to be, you pull up here, I'm just laid out, concussed. It is better. I am giving it too much brake though. I'm starting to bog it out a little bit.
I like how you're felt on this building.
No, I wanted to do like that. not like you drive away. Do it again.
That was a good one.
That was a good one, but then you fucking went that way. And all I see is slow fast crew. Fucking represent.
So sexy.
I want to post it, that's funny. I was looking at my phone and then I just saw the curve. I just thought Rookie Rebel. Someone just posted an F4i for $2,800 all stunted out. It just got my attention. I literally looked up, saw the curve, I was like, oh shit. Right, it is clap. You want to go look at it? The strongest bike I've ever ridden. All right, we're back. I had to take a little break. I only brought one battery and no charger, so I had to rig something together to charge this GoPro battery. But while we were gone, I used the DJI and took some amazing video. Here you go. Enjoy this.
I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch.
That's pretty good.
I'll tell you though, in the time that the battery was dead, I started dialed in these handbrake and rotor thing. I definitely like this one better. Get a picture of me doing the spreader. Ow, that hurts my groin.
That was all blurry for some reason.
It's a slow shutter speed, so you gotta track. So you gotta like move with me. Go like this, go like holding this button down and then the shutter as you're panning with me. Try to keep me in like right on that dot. Yeah, right on that dot. That way like you're moving at the same speed I'm moving. If I go forward to the dot, then it's gonna be blurry. But if you're going like this, then it'll be in focus. I gotta do like one of these. All right, ready, Lewis? Get this shot, double thumber. As soon as I do that, it just hurts, and I give it more gas. It's hard doing it. It hurts. Like I feel like it's just gonna throw me back when I do that. So I'll be doing a giveaway with the Manic Machine In big rotor dual caliper bracket. It's going to be an Instagram giveaway, so if you want to win it, head over to Instagram at Photogromer. It'll be the most recent post, so I'll post it right after I upload this video. Head over there and do what it says, and then you're entered to win, and I'll draw someone probably in a couple days or so. All right, we're going to do one circle and then end this video. Maybe. Oh, that's good enough. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Follow at Lewis Stunts on Instagram and Facebook. Give him a like. He's trying to become Insta famous too. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. FYI, builds coming soon.